Hey everyone, welcome to Pannu's Quilling Point. Yes, you are at perfect point watching me Pradnya on this arty crafty channel. So today I am going to share you a video of paper quilling peacock earring which I have designed and it was made for one of my clients. So I am so excited to share this video with you. So let's get started. So for this we need quilling strips, quilling needle, fabric glue, nose ply, jump rings and French hook, and toothpick. For feathers, I am using one-fourth strip and 1/2 strip of green color, 1/4 strip of orange and yellow color. So now, start sticking from 1/4 strip of green color, followed by orange color and yellow color, and at last, 1/2 strip of green color. Start quilling from the end of 1/4 strip of green color. To easily make a teardrop tight coil shape, I have quilled in midway, given the desired shape, that is a teardrop shape, and then roll the strip around the shape. I usually do this to give shape to tight coils because it's easier to mold when they are small. Stick the tight coil and give it a dome shape like this by using your finger. Apply glue and leave it to dry. Also make some more shapes. I have made around 6 to 7 shapes like this in similar fashion. To give detailing to the feather, I have rolled loosely the green strip around the teardrop shape and pointed at both the ends, as you can see. Secure the shape by using glue on both the sides. So now I will quickly start making the body part of the peacock. Half green strip for the head and the neck, 1 complete strip of orange color and 1/8 strip of yellow color for beak. Also 2 1/8 strip of green color for inserting the jump rings. To make body, I am making loose curved marking seam like this. For head and neck, I am making 2 curved teardrop shapes like this. And a small teardrop shape for beak and 2 tight coils for inserting jump rings. So let me explain what I did for feather part. For these 4, I have used the same measurement as you have seen in the video earlier. So now for this teardrop, I have used 3/4 strip of green color and rolled it around with the pointed ends. And for this, I have made the tight coil little small than the rest and roll half green strip around the teardrop shape. So now assemble these feathers like this. Now I will stick head, neck, body and beak Also 2 small tight curls for jump-ins. I have made this jhumka dome with the same colors as I have used in Peacock to dangle below. So now to decorate the jhumka more, I have used moti chain, and also for eye, I have used a black bead. I have used the jump ring to dangle the jhumka, and at above I have used one small jump ring to insert French hook. So it's time to thank you friends for watching my video and giving your valuable time. So what do you feel about this paper quilling peacock earring tutorial? Do let me know all your views in the comment section below. Please comment and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications. We are also on Facebook and Instagram. Do follow us there for coupon codes for products on our online store. As you all know that festive season is on, so do check out my website www.pannusquilling.com/shop and check out all my collections and buy whichever you like.